Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Mazda3 Hatchback. This one is the all-wheel drive model on the base trim level. Dual exhaust, of course. Mats, hatch area. Beautiful spec. Window sticker's not on this one for some odd reason. Either it fell off or it never came with the car, or they have it at the dealership, but I'm not going to drive all the way back and find it. So instead, I will pull up the listing for this car on my phone, and we'll go through it that way. Alright, so here is this exact listing. 2020 Mazda3 Hatchback Base, Z28870, Z28870. Sticker price was $26,435 with a $2,400 dealer discount and $2,000 in cash offers. Comes to $21,998 for a lease. With $2,000 down at $159 to $174 a month, depending on credit and stuff like that. Let me see here. Where is the exact listing? Yeah, there we go. So that's the exact listing for the specials. There we go. 0 down lease, $179 a month. That is, you must. There's a couple different fees and stuff like that, but this is that car. And there's the train. This is probably my favorite compact car on the market. It is that fun to drive, even though it's down on power. Though for 2021 they solved that by offering a turbo. It is still absolutely amazing to drive. Super fun, great amount of power. I'm gonna put it in neutral and coast back. There we go. Steering is super responsive, good weight to it. These seats are extremely comfortable. All the materials are nice soft touch materials. The reason why there's so much traffic is the train was just blocking off the road. Yeah. Let's go. It's a good pull. 2.5 liter, naturally aspirated 4-cylinder, 187 horsepower, 186 pound-feet of torque, give or take. But it's absolutely phenomenal. In this base trim, you don't have your paddle shifters. However, once you start working your way up the trim levels, I believe they do come as standard. I love the simplistic steering wheel. You know, there's a lot of features here, but the buttons are all through here or here, and there's nothing behind the wheel. It's all right here. I mean, you got rockers and stuff like that. I mean, you can't complain. It's just that nice. Transmission is phenomenal with its manual mode. Where down, your upshifts you pull towards you, downshifts are away. That goes with the G-forces. When you're under braking, all the G-forces are pushing forward, so it's easier to push the shifter forward. Same is true for under acceleration. I don't know why people don't want to turn right on red. It's completely legal. Oh, good brakes. And now we'll get to do a pull from a dig. All-wheel drive means it can conquer anything. It claws its way out of corners, claws its way through snow. It really inspires a lot of confidence, and it really helps this platform. I mean, look how nimble this thing is. I think it's extremely competitive with like your Mini Cooper S. That's a pretty good competitor with this. Just in terms of being fun to drive, it's that good. I didn't think that one through. All that washer fluid's gonna be right on that window. You can just see the road holding abilities of this thing. It's phenomenal. I cannot complain. This car is just that good. As a daily driver, you got the hatch for practicality. I mean, what is there that you need that this car doesn't have? And don't you say more power. It doesn't need more power. You just want it. Oh, that was helpful. Yeah, don't use bag plates. Never ends well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.